coronavirus. More than 50 cases here in the U.S. and global fears growing. And today, the Dow plunging, losing more than 1,000 points, its worst day in 2 years, wiping out this year's gains completely. The virus tonight now jumping to Europe. In fact, a new cluster we're following in Italy. At least 219 cases, and tonight at least 12 towns are on lockdown. They are still trying to figure out who is patient zero, who brought it there. While here in the U.S., growing alarm, and now a number of communities saying, do not bring your patients to our hometowns. We're live on Wall Street tonight and overseas. James Longman from Italy now.
Fighting an invisible enemy. Tonight, the number of COVID-19 cases in the U.S. climbing to 53 after tests confirm new cases among those former cruise ship passengers. It comes as towns fight plans to move infected patients into isolation in their communities. Frustration boiling over at this city council meeting in Anniston, Alabama.
It spreads from here, it's going to spread everywhere else.
And a judge in California temporarily blocking the state from using a facility for infected patients in Costa Mesa.
I think it's ridiculous. I think it's putting more people at risk.
And tonight, Italy, the latest front line in Europe's battle with the virus. 12 now dead in the north of the country, 229 infected. About 50,000 residents quarantined in their own homes.
This is the police line. Beyond here are the 12 towns that are on lockdown. And take a look. On Google Maps, you can see every way in is shut down.
As the hunt for patient zero continues, 23-year-old resident Rosella showed us her virtual ghost town.
There are brave people going around here and there. And look, you see the face mask?
The streets in Codogno, where residents are under red zone quarantine, are empty. The refrigerators at the local market bare.
As you can see, there's nothing there, almost nothing there.
30 miles away in Milan, the country's finance and fashion capital, a sign of growing fear. Giorgio Armani's models walking the runway in a room full of empty chairs. And the global outbreak continues. In Daegu, South Korea, our Ian Pannell.
This hospital is now at the centre of the outbreak in South Korea. There are more than 200 patients inside and all of them have Covid-19. We've been here about an hour and we've seen almost 10 ambulances pull up with ever more patients.
Hundreds waiting for the face masks they hope will save them.
So let's get to James Longman with us live in Italy. And James, I know that the real concern tonight, not only about the virus spreading in those towns that you've been reporting on in Italy, but really throughout Europe.
Yeah, that's right, David. And that's because Italy shares a border with a number of European countries. And here in Milan, public spaces are on lockdown, like the Duomo here behind me, libraries, universities, schools, authorities really trying to make sure that the virus doesn't come here. David.
All right, James Longman in Italy tonight, Ian Pannell from South Korea. Our thanks to you both.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.